What's going on, guys? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about how anyone can turn $1 into 1,000 online. Now, if you're brand new here and you've never made a dollar online, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make your first dollar. Then I'm going to show you how you can flip that to making more money by selling a checklist. So let's talk about the first thing that you're going to want to do to get started. First thing you want to do is you're going to want to go to digitalplaybook.com and you're going to want to grab a free checklist that gives you all different tools that I promote and make money with, and that you can too. So once you enter your email, this is what the checklist is going to look like. Now, when you start out, one of the quickest ways to start making money is actually by doing affiliate marketing, because you don't have to build the product. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It allows you to basically promote any of these tools right here. So you can promote any of these tools right here, and you can join something called a partner program, which means you can promote the tool. You don't have to build the tool. You can just send them to the link and make your first dollar. If you can make your first dollar, then you can show people how they can make their first dollar, because the truth is, most people have never made their first dollar online before. I can click here and become an affiliate just by clicking that button. If I wanted to make some money, I would start telling people that I know who are interested in AI or maybe have podcasts. I could say something like, on Facebook, Instagram, would you be interested in having a robot clip long videos for you? Right. And then people would start responding, and then I would be able to send them to the affiliate link. So there's so many different ways that you can do this and make money. You can make TikTok videos, you can post on Facebook, you can use contact form. There's like so many different ways that you can promote affiliate links. If you haven't seen my contact forms course, just go to digitalplaybook.com right here. This is a full step-by-step course, basically how to make money with website contact forms and how to drive traffic, how to set everything up, and how to do everything you want. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, there's other videos on my channel that go into that a little bit deeper. So you know how to set up, email lists, all that stuff. But either way, if you can make $1, that's all you need in order to make $1,000, $10,000. Because here's the thing, as I said earlier, most people, they have never made a dollar online, right? They just don't even believe it's possible. Like, the majority of people on the internet have never made a dollar online, right? So if I can create a step-by-step checklist showing how I made a dollar, that alone is something that I could sell for $27, showing people how that they could make their first dollar online. How I did this was, as you see right here, I built a checklist. Pretty simple. Did something, just go to Google Sheets. But if you want to get a VIP checklist, you want to go to this tool called Shineify. Completely free to sign up with. And once you do, you get access to this VIP checklist. So with this VIP checklist, not only do you get a list of 400 plus tools, you get a whole roadmap of every tool, daily checklists of what you need to do, videos of how to set everything up step by step, even gives you proven IG reels where you can just click the drive link, download it, and repost it. Look at all these. Hundreds. And if you're completely new, you can go to the old checklist where literally step-by-step training. If you have no idea what I'm talking about. Emails. So once you get people into the opt-in, you have email templates that literally this will sell for you. you still obviously have to sell. And that's when you start building opt-ins, like I said, start emailing, sending it to the right audience. Also, you want to do something called a 7-day scarcity push, where you're creating a scarce offer. And again, all that stuff I show in the VIP checklist. But remember, there's a lot of people that aren't able to do what you're able to do. And so the thing is, can you turn your results into a step-by-step progress? Like if you've been able to do something like bake a cake, you figured out how to bake the best cake. All you have to do is lay out the recipe. People will buy the recipe. And so what I want to show you is how you can first identify where you're successful at. And another thing that people mess up on is they don't realize that they have success. A lot of people, they actually downplay their success, right? So what success looks like is basically how you defined if some people are going to think that you're massively successful, other people aren't, but it's really just where they're at. And so what we want to do is we want to stop comparing ourselves to people that have more than us. And we want to start focusing on people that have less than us. We want to help them, bring them up to the next level. And really what this comes down to is just thinking about yourself like a year or two ago and what you would want to do, or what you would do, or wish you could have told yourself a year or two ago that would have really helped you. Like for me, one of the things I wish I could have done a year or two ago was pivot from trying to start an SMMA to actually creating content that gives value. For you, you might be saying the same thing, or you might told yourself to start running an agency sooner or start doing affiliate marketing sooner, right? And so then all you have to do is just take that advice, turn it into some sort of recipe, some sort of checklist, and then give it to someone else, just giving you the checklist for free. So if you're interested in this subject, I'll make more content on it. But again, the best thing that you could do to get this checklist is go to digitalplaybook.com, sign up for Shinify through this link, and then you'll get access to the VIP checklist, where you literally have everything you need to get started. And it's free too. So I just want to help people that are serious people, that are action takers. If that's you, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. You can join Shinify, go to digitalplaybook.com, and we'll see you soon. Until then, happy money making, and see you guys soon. Bye.